Guys, papunta na kami. Dito kami sa Bohol Farm. So, magtingin daw kami ng ice cream na may mga sili ice cream, guys. Marami daw flavor ng ice cream. So, meron daw malunggay, sili. Ewan, may saluyot ba yun? Bishi. Yan. Yan, si Banchong at Mama Joy. So, this is for today's guys. Day 1. Asan bang ice cream dito? Dito yung ice cream daw, guys.
Gusto namin tikman, guys, yung sili ice cream.
Oh. Oh, guys. Dito daw mag-order ng ice cream. With Mama Joy over there. Ayan. Guys, Bishi.
Uupo kami, guys, sa kanilang upuan while waiting for the ice cream.
Ito yung ice cream nila daw. Maraming flavor, guys.
Confused kami, guys, sa titin kami sa kanilang sili ice cream.
Ayan, si Bishi again. Okay, Bishi. Yung ice cream, guys, oh. Marami daw tong flavor dito, guys. Yun lang.